Want to start using ChatGPT? Creating a ChatGPT account only takes a few minutes and gives you access to AI-powered conversations for writing, learning, coding, research, and much more. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a ChatGPT account in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official ChatGPT website. Once the homepage loads, click Sign Up to begin creating your account. Make sure you're using the official ChatGPT website before entering your information. Next, choose how you'd like to create your account. You can sign up using your email address or continue with a supported third-party account such as Google, Apple, or Microsoft. Select the method that's most convenient for you. If you're using an email address, enter your information, create a strong password if prompted, and complete any required verification steps. If you're using a third-party account, simply follow the on-screen instructions. Using accurate account information will make account recovery much easier later. After signing in for the first time, follow any introductory setup screens and adjust your basic preferences if you'd like. Take a moment to explore the interface before starting your first conversation. Click New Chat, type your first prompt into the message box, and send it to ChatGPT. You can ask questions, write content, brainstorm ideas, solve problems, and much more. The more specific your prompt is, the better your results will usually be. Once you're comfortable with the basics, explore additional features like file uploads, voice conversations, projects, GPTs, or other tools available with your account or subscription. So you've successfully created your ChatGPT account, and that's how to create a ChatGPT account. With your account ready, you can start using ChatGPT for writing, coding, research, learning, productivity, and many other everyday tasks. The more you explore its features and practice writing clear prompts, the more value you'll get from your AI assistant. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.